That's our bushing driver, bushing and seal driver. Well, really, this is a bushing driver set, not really a seal set. So we got 3/8 here up to 1 3/8 over here with different size drivers. Because idea some of these is different. So small ones naturally going to take the small driver. These ones take this here. And these big ones, of course, are going to take this. It's definitely worked for everything I've needed it for. It's a good kit. I do have the bigger ones for like seals, which are, bigger diameter. If you look at these, that's why they're bushing drivers. It looks like a top hat bushing there. That's going to fit down into the bushing to drive it, or bearing. Yeah, good kit. Very handy. You're knocking bushings out of something instead of trying to do a socket, which you're never going to get right, and you're going to end up banging up the end of the bushing. So this will slide down into the bushing, so you're only putting pressure on the outside surface of the bushing. And it's going in straight, not crooked. It's a good set to have.